20-inch box fan, a couple furnace filters, turn it into an air cleaner for my shop. I don't have any dust collection right now, so it's a shop vac, and all the particulates that get through the air end up in my lungs if I'm not wearing a respirator. So I turn this into a quick and easy air cleaner using 3 of these filters. I'll probably upgrade the filter one day to actually catch a little bit more. But yeah, so I've just basically made dividers, and I'll show you how I did it. In time lapse, of course, because no one wants to watch me do this whole thing on my own in a matter of a couple hours. So we'll do this in time lapse, all the measurements for the material, and again, the box fan, the measurements, everything will be in the comments below. Thanks for watching.